Today, let's introduce the ZGS Combined Substation, also known as the American-style transformer. The model featured in the video is a custom version specifically designed for South American customers. It can adapt to an altitude of 3,000 meters and adopts a fully sealed structure, boasting excellent moisture resistance, dust-proof performance, and corrosion resistance, thus being able to cope with various harsh environments. The iron core is made of high-quality silicon steel sheets, and the coils use high-conductivity copper materials, which reduce no-load and load losses while improving operational efficiency. Not only is it compact in structure and easy to install, but it is also widely used in various scenarios such as urban power, distribution networks, industrial parks, and commercial complexes, providing reliable protection for your power transmission. Follow Subian Power to learn more information.